Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about AWS Budgets, a service to set custom budgets in AWS. We will talk about the key features, benefits, use cases, as well as how AWS Budgets works in a typical application environment. Let's get started. AWS Budgets gives you the ability to set custom budgets that alert you when your costs or uses exceed or are forecasted to exceed your budgeted amount. It allows you to set reserved instance, RI utilization, or coverage targets and receive alerts when your utilization drops below the threshold you define. RI alerts support Amazon EC2, Amazon RDS, Amazon Redshift, and Amazon Elasticache reservations. In fact, you can set alerts based on your RI or savings plans utilization and coverage using AWS Budgets. Your budgets can be tracked at the monthly, quarterly, or yearly level, and you can customize the start and end dates. Budget alerts can be sent via email and or Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS topic. Let's talk about the benefits of AWS Budgets. AWS Budgets offers the following benefits for an organization: cost and usage tracking, aware of spending, and take timely actions. Let's elaborate each of these benefits of AWS Budgets. Cost and usage tracking. You can track your costs, uses, and coverage with custom budgets. Aware of spending. You will stay informed on forecasted spend and resource use. Take timely actions. You can create custom actions to prevent overages, inefficient resource use, or lack of coverage. Now let's talk about the use cases for AWS Budgets. AWS Budgets supports the following use cases, which cover the need of a broad range of customers: monitor costs and uses, create scheduled reports, and respond to thresholds. Let's explain each of these use cases for AWS Budgets. Monitor costs and uses. AWS Budgets allows you to set your preferred budget period to daily, monthly, quarterly, or annually. In addition, you can create specific budget limits for a period. Create scheduled reports. AWS Budgets enables you to stay informed on how actual or forecasted costs and uses progress toward your budget threshold. Respond to thresholds. You can set up custom actions to run automatically or through an approval process when a budget target is exceeded. Excellent. Now let's see how AWS Budgets works in an application environment. With AWS Budgets, you can set custom budgets to track your costs and uses. It sends you alerts by email or SNS notifications if you exceed your threshold, and you can respond quickly. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of AWS Budgets and integrations with other AWS services. The diagram also shows the steps you need to follow to use the service. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding of how AWS Budgets works in an application environment. In conclusion, Use AWS Budgets to improve planning and cost control with flexible budgeting and forecasting. Stay informed on forecasted spend and resource use. Track your costs, uses, and coverage. Take actions quickly if you exceed your threshold. That's all about AWS Budgets. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.